Hello everyone, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Have you ever wondered how a simple sheet mask, something millions of people use every day for skincare, is actually made inside a modern factory? From natural ingredients like aloe vera and green tea, all the way to the moment it touches your skin, the journey is far more complex and fascinating than you might think. And by the end of this video, I'll also share some useful tips on how to use sheet masks effectively in your daily routine. Before we begin, let me know in the comments, which country are you watching from and what time is it there right now? The journey of a simple sheet mask begins inside a highly controlled industrial environment where precision and hygiene are everything. As the factory comes to life, machines activate in perfect synchronization, and every surface reflects a commitment to cleanliness and efficiency. Workers enter through sterilization chambers, ensuring that no contamination reaches the production floor. This level of control is essential, especially for products that will be applied directly to human skin. What I personally find fascinating about this stage is how invisible most of the work is, yet it forms the foundation for everything that follows. And as the production line begins to move, we are about to witness how nature meets technology in the most unexpected ways. Before any manufacturing begins, everything starts with nature. Fresh ingredients like aloe vera, green tea, and chamomile are carefully harvested from farms, often at specific times of day, to preserve their potency. These raw materials are then transported quickly to the factory to maintain their freshness. Each batch is inspected upon arrival, ensuring that only high-quality ingredients are used in production. Interestingly, even slight differences in climate or soil can affect the properties of these natural extracts. In my opinion, this stage plays a crucial role in determining the final effectiveness of the product. And while these ingredients may look simple now, the next stage is where their transformation truly begins.
This one is heavy. Slowly now, down to the left. Watch your feet. Watch your feet.
At this stage, raw materials undergo an intensive cleaning and preparation process. They are washed using high-pressure water systems, sorted to remove impurities, and carefully processed into smaller, workable forms. Machines handle most of the work, but human inspection remains essential to ensure consistency. Every leaf, every piece of aloe must meet strict cleanliness standards before moving forward. What I find particularly interesting is how technology enhances, but does not replace, the human eye in quality control. But what happens in the next stage is where the real transformation begins. Now comes the stage where natural ingredients are transformed into concentrated essence. Through processes like heat extraction and cold pressing, valuable compounds are separated and collected into liquid form. These extracts are then filtered and refined to remove any remaining particles. The result is a pure, potent essence that carries the benefits of the original plant. What fascinates me most here is how something as simple as a leaf can be transformed into a highly refined skincare ingredient. And as these extracts are prepared, the next step will begin shaping them into the final product we recognize. With the natural extracts ready, the process now moves into one of the most critical stages, formulating the serum. Inside large stainless steel tanks, precise amounts of botanical extracts are blended with active ingredients, such as hyaluronic acid and vitamins. Temperature, mixing speed, and pH levels are all carefully controlled using advanced digital systems. This ensures that every drop of serum delivers consistent performance and safety. What I personally find fascinating about this stage is the level of precision involved. Just a small variation can significantly impact the final product. But what happens next may surprise you, as this liquid formula begins to merge with the physical structure of the mask itself. While the serum is being prepared, another equally important process takes place: the creation of the sheet itself. Using natural fibers such as cotton or biodegradable cellulose, thin layers are formed, pressed, and cut into precise shapes that match the contours of the human face. These sheets must be soft, durable, and capable of holding a significant amount of liquid without tearing. Interestingly, the structure of the sheet plays a major role in how effectively the serum is delivered to the skin. In my opinion, this stage is often underestimated, yet it is essential for the user experience. And in the next step, these two elements, the serum and the sheet, finally come together. This is the moment where the transformation becomes truly visible. The dry sheet masks are carefully aligned on a conveyor system and infused with precisely measured amounts of serum. Automated nozzles distribute the liquid evenly, while pressure systems ensure deep absorption into the fibers. Every mask must contain the exact same amount of serum to guarantee consistency. What I find most fascinating here is how technology ensures uniformity at such a microscopic level. Something unexpected is happening here. The sheet is no longer just a material, but a carrier of concentrated skincare benefits. And as each mask becomes fully saturated, it moves on to a final stage of strict quality control. Before reaching consumers, every sheet mask must pass a series of rigorous quality tests. Samples are analyzed for moisture content, pH balance, and microbiological safety. Advanced instruments ensure that each product meets strict regulatory standards. Even minor defects are detected and removed automatically from the production line. What I personally admire about this stage is the commitment to safety and consistency. It reflects the responsibility behind every product. And once approved, these masks are finally ready to be packaged and shipped to stores around the world.
Here are the results for batch 45B, Supervisor.
Looks good. All parameters are within specification. I'll approve this for release.
Thank you.
Once approved, the sheet masks move into the packaging stage, where speed and precision are essential. Each mask is carefully inserted into a sealed sachet, along with an additional amount of serum to maintain optimal moisture. Heat sealing technology ensures that every package is airtight, preserving freshness and preventing contamination. At the same time, batch numbers and manufacturing details are printed for full traceability. What I find interesting here is how automation allows thousands of units to be packaged every hour with near-perfect consistency. But what happens next takes these products beyond the factory and into the global market. From the factory floor, the journey continues through a complex logistics network. Products are packed into cartons, stacked onto pallets, and transported to distribution centers using trucks and automated warehouse systems. Each package is tracked and sorted to ensure it reaches the correct destination efficiently. Interestingly, logistics plays a critical role in maintaining product quality, especially for skincare items that must be stored under specific conditions. In my opinion, this stage is just as important as manufacturing itself. And soon, these products will arrive at stores, ready to meet the people who use them every day.
The transcription for this video is not needed.
Slow down, slow down. Okay, keep coming forward just a bit. And stop. You're good right there.
Got it.
Now, the product finally reaches the hands of the consumer. Inside brightly lit stores, customers explore a wide variety of sheet masks, comparing ingredients, benefits, and personal preferences. The decision-making process may seem simple, but it reflects individual skincare needs and lifestyle choices. What I find most fascinating here is how a complex industrial process ultimately becomes a small, everyday decision for the user. From factory to shelf, the journey is complete. And now, the final step reveals how this product is actually used in daily life.
But this charcoal one is supposed to be really good for pores.
True, let's get the charcoal.
This one is great for hydration. See the hyaluronic acid listed right here. It really plumps the skin and gives you that glow.
Here is your receipt, ma'am. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too, dear.
Using a sheet mask correctly can significantly improve its effectiveness. Start by cleansing your face thoroughly to remove dirt and oil, helping the skin absorb nutrients better. You can also apply toner beforehand to balance and prepare your skin. Carefully unfold the mask and place it onto your face, aligning it with your eyes, nose, and mouth. Smooth out any air bubbles to ensure full contact. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. This is the ideal time for the serum to absorb without drying out the mask. After removing it, gently massage the remaining serum into your skin and avoid rinsing. For best results, use sheet masks 2 to 3 times per week, depending on your skin type. Store them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight to maintain product quality. When used properly, this simple product can deliver noticeable skincare benefits while also providing a relaxing self-care moment. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, please comment 1 below. If you think it could be better, feel free to comment 0 or share your thoughts. Also, tell me in the comments, what production process would you like to see in the next video? Your support truly motivates me to keep creating more content like this. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.